Okay, today we work on Chevrolet Corvette. I have a problem with the key. When you turn on and try to start, it's just clicking. And if you shake the steering up and down, sometimes it starts working. So I figured out is the steering ignition switch, which is located deeper here. Is there on the top. Very limited access is this one basically, and it's controlled by this rod here. When you turn the key, this rod move up and down, so probably it's not make a good contact inside. So I'll take it off, clean it, or I buy a new one and let's see. Sometimes when the car start, it's just cut off. It's worked for a while and cut off because here I say to the ignition switch the keys go back probably, and that's why it's cut off. If it's not have a success to fix this, maybe I will install start push button and that's it, because other way to take off this is big headache. I'll keep you too. Here we go. I take it off now. I will open and let's see how it's gonna look inside. Okay, the ignition switch is off. I'll turn it like this, everything is collapsed. This is very important, this ball. So that's how it's looking inside. It's pretty, what can I say, but maybe this is the reason also this side is broken. I hope this is the issue. Let's see, it's already rebooted. I not film the process, but I use the thermalic grease. So this is ready to go together, and let's see what's gonna happen. Here we go. I install the switch. So now this rod have to be adjusted, and with screwdriver, when I pull back this one, it's turning over. So this is the issue. If you have bad ignition switch, when you put the key, you try to turn the car to start, you're just hearing some click or even nothing. This is the issue. So left now to adjust the rod to pull it correctly, and we hope we fix the issue. Okay, let's see the moment of the truth. Contact. Perfect. Key out, key in, contact. Okay. Take back together everything and let's see.